There are four problems on your screen that look like this, and they're all slopes. And before we start graphing, it's important to understand how these slopes are telling you to move so that you can move that way on your graph. So let's practice for a minute here. Slope is rise over run. The top number is telling you to go up if it's positive, down if it's negative. And the bottom number is your run. It's telling you to go sideways, either left or right. But for graphing purposes, we're always going to go to the right. And so if there is a negative, think of the negative as being on top. So always put the negative on the top if there is a negative. And you'll see that this is helpful when we're graphing. The first slope we have here is 2/3. This is number 1. Please make sure you copy this down. This slope is telling you to go up 2 and over 3. 3 to the right. So if I were graphing this, I would move up 2 and then over 3. That's how that slope is telling me to move because it's positive. How is this slope telling you to move? It's telling you to go down 4 because it's negative and then over 5. So it would look like this: down 4 and then over 5. And it would be a negative slope. Okay. This slope is just 5. This is number 3. Please write this down. This is 5. It's not even a fraction. How is it going to tell you to go up and over or down and over if it's not even a fraction? The rule with slope is you can make it a fraction. You can make any number a fraction by putting a 1 underneath. So this slope is telling you to go up 5 and over 1. It would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 1. Okay, last one, -3. This slope is, again, it's not a fraction. You need to make it a fraction. How do you do that? By putting a 1 underneath. This slope is telling you to go down 3 and over 1. Down 3 and over 1. That's how that slope is telling you to move.